Chairman sir, distinguished panel members, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Karma. I represent Demi Solutions. I'm the founder of Demi Solutions. We are a very small startup company out of Gangtok. We do a lot of work in that eastern sector, the Sikkim and the northeast. One of the things that we've done over a period of time that we've realized, I could just kind of catch a few things that our chairman was talking about today. Basically, one of the things is, you've got this digital India, right? So how do we take digital India forward? So there is the divide and the digital dividend, and basically the big question mark in between. So if you need digital India to basically reach where it is supposed to reach by another 4 or 5 years, then data digitization becomes the key. That's the fundamental. You basically start there. Data, you start digitizing data. So the digital in data digitization and digital India that's where they meet, and that's how it precludes, and that's how we take that thing forward. So having said that, we have we are, I think, one of the first few companies in the Northeast to file patent, and we have a small patent on this, as you can see, and it's a very frugal innovation that we've done. And due to the paucity of time, I would have want to go into presentation and stuff like that, but probably for right now, I think we have about 8 minutes. I don't know, more 5 minutes. Okay, so now you can just see the stress. That's already, because of time. So I'll just go quickly into this. Then later on, if you have any questions, I'd be very happy to answer that for you.
For the last 50 to 20 years, we have been registering the names of birth and death in a register in a manual way, which was a bit cumbersome.
एकदमै ठुलो प्रब्लम गरेको छ, किनभने यो बर्थ एन्ड डेथ जुन रेजिस्ट्रेसन छ यो 1970-80 बाट सुरु भएको हो, भनौँ 79-80 बाट सुरु भएको हो, र अहिले मैले यसो हेर्दाखेरि पहिलाको कतिवटा रेकर्डहरू हामीले पाउन सकेका छैनौँ, किनभने डिजिटाइजेसन नभएर पनि होला। यो भएको रेकर्ड जति छ यो पनि कतिवटा एकदमै पन्ना च्यातेर फाटेर गएको छ।
Demi Solutions has been entrusted with the task of digitizing all records for e-district project.
The project is a mission mode project under the e-governance initiative of the Government of India. In this, there were conventional systems that we could have used, like flatbed scanners.
Now, scanning, as you know, in the conventional manner, involves putting a document in a flatbed scanner, then scanning it, and then creating a computer file out of it. The whole process on an average takes about 2 minutes. Now this digitization is a very labor-intensive task, going to remote areas, going to the videos, scanning the documents.
For us, we have projects that involve and entail us to digitize documents that are in very far-flung areas, remote locations and stuff like that. So taking a big conventional scanner, and some of these documents cannot be cannot be removed from their place for a variety of different reasons, including the condition that they are in, and moving them would basically deteriorate it further or break it up into this thing. And also there is an issue of chain of custody.
In our case, we set out to actually build something based on usability for this type of activity from the ground up. And so the way we went about it was we looked at first capture.
Demi Solution has come up with a very innovative idea. They are using mobiles.
The number of scans that they do is also very, it's quite, I think, about 30-40 per minute they are doing compared to the 3 to 4 pages which you are getting from the earlier scanners. And the scanner is also quite portable, and you can carry it around.
The resolution that it takes is about 8 megapixel From that, we'd be able to take these images at a very high rate. We'd be able, it's just like taking photographs, but at a very, very high rate.
An innovation that they have made, a device to scan the documents. So the device I found was very, what should I say, it's state of the art. In fact, the innovation that they've made,
What we did was a very frugal innovation. We built a rig. The platform has been indigenously designed to basically be able to move up and scale down for different sizes, for A3 and A4, and for different sizes.
एउटा सानो त्यो के स्ट्रक्चर भन्नु कि फ्रेम जस्तो बनाउनु भएको रहेछ त्यो किताब लग्यो रेजिस्टर राख्यो माथिबाट टक्क नक्सा खिच्यो त्यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ हाम्रो स्पेस पनि कम्ती नै लिइँदो रहेछ प्लस हाम्रो डेली जुन चाहिँ रुटिन वर्क अफिसमा भइरहेको हुन्छ त्यसलाई पनि ह्याम्पर नगरिकन चाहिँ उहाँको काम चाहिँ भइरहेको छ.
This particular innovation, it's a mobile device. It travels anywhere. You can take it to the top of a mountain and ride at sea level and it will work perfectly well. The best part is even in remote locations where you do not have power source, and where power is very scant, you can still use the mobile tablets because it already has a battery unit and you'd be still able to perform. Having said that, we've also built a very robust platform at the back which allows us to disseminate this content, whatever the images that we capture, and disseminate it to a typical environment like you're seeing behind me, which is where it gets digitized. So once you take the scans, as in the images, the photos of the documents, they automatically get loaded onto the server, which gets routed into our own internal cloud environment. And from there, everybody uses an application which we've built and designed to access these images, and then they convert the raw images into textual data through that platform. So these are the small advantages of having built a system which is very frugal. It is built ground up, and it increases in efficiency, productivity, and so this brings in resolves a lot of the challenges that a typically data digitization project would face.
The throughput has gone up almost 10 folds. Now what used to take say 2 minutes on a flatbed scanner, it takes them hardly a couple of seconds. So this way what has happened, the efficiency has gone up considerably and the timelines have shrunk.
Is there, so I think the positive time is of, and I mean, I think we need to be considerate for the next guys. Thank you.